welcome welcome back to my channel. My name is Luxma Say, for those who don't know me, and for those who know me, hey girl, what's up, how you doing? Welcome back to the vibes. From the title of the video, okay, I brought back some braids. So yes y'all, so if you like what you see or are interested in seeing how I got this hairstyle done, which is really easy, just stick around and I'll be getting right into it right now. But before we go, check me out. Check me out. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna start the video now. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna first start off with everything we need. So you're gonna need some braiding hair, some braiding jam, you're gonna need some what do you call these again, elastic bands, you're gonna need some combs for parting, of course, and you're also gonna need some clips to help you hold the hair. Okay, all right. So we're just going to start off with the parting, okay? So the way I parted my hair was I split it in the middle this way, as you see me doing, so I could have a front and a back, you know, because we're doing crisscross. So we're going to start with the front part. So this is basically what I'm doing. I altogether did four sections in the front. As you can see, I split in the middle and then I split the other two halves in two. So it's a total of 4 rows in the front, okay? So make sure you get that done because that's very crucial for your crisscrosses, all right? So once I'm done with that, I just went ahead and took one of those rows and then split it in half again, okay? Because we want the squares to be as small as possible, okay? So just go ahead and add some jam. I'm really adding some jam because I want it to be nice, clean and silky. Y'all know like what the jam effect has on braids, okay? So that's really why I'm using a whole bunch of jam, just for hair control and stuff. So once I do that, then I go ahead and split that in half again. Yes, we just be splitting everything in half. That's really the key to this whole hairstyle, okay? It's the parting. It's all about the parting. So please pay attention so you can get this right, okay? So in the first row, I split it in half. So I'm going to have 2 boxes in the first row, and then I'm going to have 2 boxes in the second row. Then I'm going to go ahead and crisscross those individual boxes. I know it probably doesn't make sense right now, but as you know, as you're watching the visuals, it'll make more sense, okay? So as you see me do, everything is getting rubber banded up, okay? Because we're gonna crisscross everything. All right, so y'all just pay attention and follow step by step, okay? For all I need, personality, everything you do. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to start the feed in crisscross process. So as you see, I took the top braid and I'm feeding it into the bottom braid, okay? And that's how you get the crisscross effect. And I'm going to do the same thing with that bottom braid, and I'm going to feed it into the top braid that's in the back, okay? And that will be it for the first set of crisscross, okay? So pay close attention, girlfriend. Just slow it down if you need to, go back if you need to. It's really not that hard. You just got to see what I'm doing and you'll get it, I promise. Your love, your love, it goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. And voila, it's not rocket science, okay? So we're done with the first row, column, whatever you want to call it. Here we got it. We got the first set. It's really that easy. And then you just repeat the same process. Split it in half. Oh my gosh, my camera finally focused. Back to this. I don't know, my camera was messing up. Oh my gosh, but I was like, whatever. The devil is not going to win today. I'm going to get to work. Whatever. So yes, so the second row is a little longer than the first one. So that's why I'm splitting it in 3 this time, because I don't want the boxes to be too big, right? So then since there's more hair in this row, it's going to require you to split it in 3 or more boxes, depending on how small you want it to be. I was just trying to do something real quick, okay? So I split it in 3, and I'm just repeating the same process as the first one. I'm gonna rubber band each individual box, and then I'm gonna crisscross, feed them into each other. So just watch and, you know, follow along with me. And as you can see, the jam is very important for the style because it just helps you keep the hair in place where you want it to stay before you go ahead and continue with the rubber band method. So use some jam, okay? You're gonna need it. You're really gonna need it. It just makes your job a lot easier, and then it makes your braids just look a lot cleaner and neater. And I really want you to pay close attention to what I'm doing, all right? It's really hard for you to mess this up if you just follow this step by step. It's just a process of feeding one braid into the other, but crisscross. You see? It's literally that easy. And then, you know, you just keep on crisscrossing until there's no more to crisscross, all right? So this little twisting method you see me doing right here is because, you know, the more hair you add, the thicker it gets. So the further back you go, every time you add the hair gets thicker because you're adding hair to the other braid. So you want to twist it that way, like I was doing, so that it could help with keeping the hair slim, right? Like you see how I'm doing right now? Right there you go. You see it. It's so that my crisscross could be slim and look good. Okay. So if you have thick hair, this is a trick. And make sure you use jam. Okay. You're gonna need to use some jam. I'm not gonna repeat it anymore, but y'all get the point. But y'all see, look at your girl looking good. So you just go ahead and repeat the same process on the other side, and that is basically it, honeys. You already got the process. Well, I hope that by now you get it, okay? Because if you don't get it, then I don't know what to tell you. I'm just joking with y'all, but yes, girl, go ahead and just, you know, keep on following what I'm doing and you should be good. It's really not rocket science. This was one of my easiest hairstyles I've ever tried. It's so quick, and girl, wait until we get into the twist. Like this, it probably took me like an hour to get it done because I was really also recording at the same time, and then it was also long twist, so it takes a minute to twist that hair. But doing this hairstyle was so quick and easy. Like, I love these easy protective styles. And y'all, quick disclaimer, when you're doing anything with rubber bands, please spare your edges. You guys see I'm like pre-styling my edges. That's really because I wanted to make sure I'm not, you know, getting my hair caught up with the elastic bands, because I tell y'all it's gonna hurt. Like it hurts so bad when you like rubber band your edges. So make sure you don't put your edges in that rubber band if you just want to sleep at night. Okay, so now we're getting into the twist. So I'm doing a feed in knotless twist, like, okay, at this point, y'all, I didn't care. I just wanted to like put something in the back and then just make it look good. So basically I go ahead and I use the knotless method. I go ahead and feed in the braid slowly and then braid it down like a regular single braid, and then I get to a certain point where I just start twisting. So that's basically what I did. Altogether, I don't think I had that many braids at all. I probably had like 20 braids, if I'm even exaggerating, probably 20 braids, so because I was doing jumbo braids. But yeah, so then you just repeat the same process over and over again. You feed in your braid, or just do twist however you know how to do your twist. But this is basically how I do my twist. I start with a knotless like braid, and then I just start twisting down till the end, and that's it. Okay, so when it comes to the crisscross braids and twisting them, so of course I'm going to start again with a normal single braid, because I just want to make sure that it's secure and it doesn't slide off, because if I don't know, I'm not that good at twists. So if I started with the twist, I feel like it's going to fall off, like the braid is going to fall off. So as you can see, I'm doing like a little single braid thingy, and then I start twisting. So it's basically still the same process, but you see how I'm wrapping the hair around where the rubber band is at, and then I braid so it can be secured, and then we twist away. It's not rocket science, y'all. I promise you can do this. If I could do it, you can do it too. And I ain't no expert, okay? Yeah, I'm not an expert. And girl, if you followed my instructions one by one, you should end up with something like this, okay? It looks good, clean, and super cute. It was a super quick look, and y'all, and I just felt like I should share it with y'all. Hold on, let me get cute on y'all. Boom. You see me? You see me, okay? Well, I would just like to take this moment to say thank you for watching this video. I hope y'all try this hairstyle because it was cute, all right? And make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, especially if you made it this far. Come on, join the vibe, and I'll catch y'all later. Bye.